Imagine this. What if you could double, even triple your income without quitting your day job? What if you could finally pay off that credit card debt, save for that dream vacation, or even start building your own empire, starting today? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'll be revealing easy, beginner-friendly side hustles that anyone can start today, without any special skills or huge investments. Don't just dream about it, make it happen now. But first, hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot of amazing tips coming your way. Okay, let's kick things off by talking about why side hustles are such a game changer. Did you know that nearly 45% of Americans have a side hustle? That's right. Almost half of us are finding ways to make money outside of our regular jobs. And get this, 33% of side hustlers make $500 or more each month. That could mean paying off your bills, boosting your savings, or even splurging on things you love. Side hustles are more than just a way to make extra cash. They're a ticket to financial freedom, personal growth, and even a path to quitting your 9-to-5 someday. But the best part? You don't need a huge investment, complex skills, or tons of free time to get started. You can begin right now, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. Before we dive into specific side hustles, let's talk mindset. A side hustle isn't just about making extra cash, it's about shifting your mindset. Many successful side hustlers started with the belief that I can make this work with consistency and effort. And guess what? They did. They built something from nothing, and so can you. Start with these 3 simple steps. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your side hustle? Manage your time well. Even an hour a day can make a difference. Stay consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your side hustle be, but consistency is key. First up, freelance writing. If you love to write or have a knack for turning ideas into words, this one's for you. Freelance writers can make anywhere from $10 to $100 per hour depending on experience. And don't worry, you don't need to be a seasoned pro to get started. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are full of clients looking for content creators. You can start small by writing blog posts or product descriptions, and over time, build your portfolio. In fact, 67% of freelance writers say they earn a full-time income from their side hustle alone. So if you have a passion for writing, now's the perfect time to start. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to learn more tricks on how to succeed in freelance work. Next on the list, online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a subject, whether it's math, science, languages, or even music, teaching online can be an incredibly rewarding side hustle. Sites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and even platforms like YouTube make it easy to get started. You could teach kids from across the world or even adults looking to learn new skills. Here's a fact. The online education market is expected to grow to $325 billion by 2025. That means there's a huge demand for online educators right now. And guess what? You can set your own rates, work from anywhere, and enjoy the flexibility to teach on your own schedule. Ever heard of dropshipping? This is a great option for those who are interested in e-commerce but don't want to deal with the hassle of holding inventory. The way it works is simple. You partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. You set up an online store, choose products, and promote them. Once you make a sale, the supplier ships the product and you earn a profit. Here's the kicker. Dropshipping doesn't require upfront capital to purchase inventory. In fact, according to Shopify, 33% of dropshipping entrepreneurs make more than $200,000 per year. So if you have an eye for trending products and marketing, this could be your golden opportunity. Next, let's talk about being a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, or VAs, help entrepreneurs with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media. The best part? You don't need a degree or special certification, just organizational skills and a reliable internet connection. Here's a cool stat. According to a report from the VA industry, there are more than 1.5 million virtual assistants worldwide, and it's one of the fastest growing freelance career paths. You can easily earn $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your skill set. And finally, delivery services. Whether it's food delivery with apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash, or package delivery with Amazon Flex, this is a great side hustle that doesn't require special skills. You can set your hours and work at your own pace. Here's a fun fact. According to Uber Eats, drivers can make up to $20 per hour during peak times. And guess what? You don't even need a car. You can use a bike or scooter in some areas. Now that you've got some ideas, here are a few tips to make your side hustle a success. Start small. You don't need to invest a lot up front. Focus on time management. Find pockets of time to work on your hustle. Reinvest your earnings. Use the profits from your side hustle to grow it further. Remember, the key is consistency and focus. Keep learning and you'll see results. Whether it's freelance writing, teaching, or dropshipping, these side hustles can help you reach your financial goals faster than you ever imagined. The best part? You can start right now, today. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, join the community, and let's hustle together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to start their side hustle journey. Until next time, keep hustling.